Hello, Preserve friends and family. I'm Pete Couchman, Executive Director of Bowman's Hill Wildflower Preserve. The Preserve team and I are thrilled to officially kick off our end-of-year fundraising campaign to support the Preserve's annual fund. $1.3 million. That is the Preserve's annual operating budget. In short, this is what it takes to keep the Preserve's doors open and our programs serving our 30,000 visitors and 2,000 members each year. $200,000, now that is the stretch goal of this year's annual fund. It is one of the most important ways that we raise operational funds to support the most immediate needs and crucial needs of the Preserve. Did you know that the annual fund raises over half of its fundraising goal in the last 60 days or 2 months of the calendar year? So what does this mean? Every day from now until December 31st is crucial to the Preserve's health and success. Now is the time when your end-of-year gift can make the biggest impact. Visit bhwp.org/donate-now to make your secure online gift. You can also mail a check to us at P.O. Box 685, New Hope, PA 18938. Or you can stop in our visitor center to say hello and hand deliver your gift. Native plants need Bowman's Hill Wildflower Preserve, and the Preserve needs you. So let's grow big things together in 2024, and thank you for your commitment and your support.